Right, so welcome in this short comparison of iPhone 17 and iPhone 16. So if we check the release price, for the base model is the same for both. If we take a look on the display size, on the other hand, we can see that the iPhone 17 has a larger display, 6.3 inch display, and what's the main difference? That it supports 120 Hz, while iPhone 16 only 60 Hz. So the display is much better on the iPhone 17. As well, it has a better brightness. So for outdoors, it's much brighter. The processor is better on iPhone 17. The storage options are better on the iPhone 17, mostly because it starts at 256 gigabytes, while iPhone 16 128 for the same price. Thus, iPhone 17 is slightly heavier, which can be either pro or con, depends if you prefer heavier or lighter devices. The thickness is higher on the iPhone 17. iPhone 17 has a dual 48 megapixels camera as well as the iPhone 16, so this is like equal. The front camera is better on iPhone 17 because it has 18 megapixel camera, while the iPhone 16 only 12. The battery life is better on iPhone 17. It has plus 2 hours difference, and the build materials are the same. So it really depends what you want from the device. Maybe if you prefer cheaper device that you can find in the stores or retail or marketplaces, then iPhone 16 will be the option. If you prefer the latest device with a better 819 chip for smoother performance and future-proofing and much better display, I would definitely go for iPhone 17. I hope this video was helpful and it provided some value to you. Let me know in the comments and see you in the next video.